Hi guys, it's Divya and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. This video is going to be very important for people who are going to join NIFT this year because we are going to talk about what to pack for NIFT. Very important, I know. When I was going to join NIFT and I was in this confusion ki what to pack, what not to pack, if do I need to purchase this, do I need to skip this, all of that. बट आफ्टर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो आई थिंक आप लोग काफ़ी क्लियर हो जाओगे कि क्या ले जाना है क्या नहीं ले जाना है. सो बेसिकली ये वीडियो में मैंने ज़्यादातर गैजेट्स और स्टेशनरी पे फोकस किया है बिकॉज इट इज़ कॉमन फॉर एवरी वन. बाकी सारी जो चीज़ें होती है दैट इज़ सब्जेक्टिव फॉर ईच वन ऑफ यू. सो मेन थिंग्स आर स्टेशनरी एंड गैजेट्स, सो दैट इज़ वॉट आई हैव फोकस्ड ऑन इन दिस वीडियो. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड talking about the gadgets. Because a lot of people have this doubt about, do we need to buy a new laptop if we already have one, or what are the specifications that we need to carry, that we need to have in our laptops. So first year के लिए मेरी यही advice है कि if you already have a laptop that works well, don't buy a new one because it's not necessary. Once you come to college, you spend a year यहाँ पे, then you will get to know कि what exactly are the things you require. And for people who don't have laptops, I will suggest you to go for a gaming laptop. Search for some good laptops, थोड़ा internet पे भी check कर लेना and you can get the new one. Now for an iPad, if you already have one, bring it here. If you don't have one, don't freak out, you don't need it. Now there are few more things like power bank, extension, what else, mosquito repellent, kettle, iron, all of these things you can carry. Next, let's talk about stationery, which is very important. Get A3 size sketchbooks. And the GSM of the paper should be minimum 150 GSM or 140, 150. More than that works well. उससे कम नहीं होना चाहिए बिकॉज इट विल बी डिफिकल्ट. मतलब you basically need that for your drawing subject. So the faculty will also suggest you to get the paper which has GSM more than 140 or 150. So get that. Either get the sketchbooks or the loose papers, but the GSM should be minimum 140 or 150, or you can get both, whatever is convenient. Next is pencils. Now you will need pencils from 2H to 10B. So get the box which has every shade. You will need micron pens, brush pens, color pens. Color pencils, any brand works. Poster colors are very important. Acrylic colors are not very important. If you have it, you can get it. If you don't have it, don't worry. Watercolors are also not very important, but poster colors and color pencils are important. Then you need to carry scale. It's better if you have metal one. And eraser, sharpener, scissor, cutter. Cutting mat is very important. A3 size, I'll prefer A3. Then you'll need glue. So get glue guns, Fevicol, tape, etc. You will need these A4 size plain, like unruled diaries or sketchbooks, you can say, for your as your learning diary. So learning diaries are basically notebooks where you document all your learnings and you submit it to your faculty at the end of your semester. So उसके लिए आपको A4 size sketchbooks लगेगी, but ज़्यादा मत लाना, 2 या 3 max, because anyways there's a stationery in our campus, you can get that from there. Get a diary where you can write notes. So जब हम डेली क्लास से जाते हैं, वी नीड टू टेक नोट्स. सो आई विल सजेस्ट कि एक डायरी लो जिसमें सेक्शंस होते हैं एंड यू कैन यूज ईच सेक्शन फॉर ईच सब्जेक्ट. सो दैट इज important. That was it for the stationery. Now there are few things that are important. So here I am specifically talking about NIFT Hyderabad because I study here, so I know more about it. But I think ऐसा ही होगा for different campuses also. हमारे हॉस्टल में पर्टिकुलरली देर आर नो मिरर्स, नो फुटमैट्स, कर्टन्स. सो विंडोज़ हैं लेकिन कर्टन्स नहीं है. एंड ऑल्सो दे डो नॉट प्रोवाइड इट, लाइक दे डो नॉट कीप इट फॉर सेलिंग. Now, things like mattress, bucket, stool, soap case, they have it in the campus. You can buy it and use it. Things that you will need to carry from your home are foot mat, curtains, bed sheets, blanket, पिलो कवर्स एक्सेट्रा एंड मिरर्स नहीं है यहाँ पे बट वो तो आप कैरी नहीं कर सकते सो यू कैन परचेस इट हियर एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज कैरी लॉक्स एंड मेक श्योर ऐसे लॉक्स खरीदो जो थोड़े यूनिक हो जो जो दूसरों की चाबी से ना खुले बिकॉज people have this habit of stealing, so beware about that. Now let's talk about clothing and makeup and stuff. Clothes may you can get anything you are comfortable in. Get the pajamas, your daily wear stuff, jeans, lowers, pants. Get formals because jewelry में काम आता है. Get saris again because jewelry में पहन सकते हो. You can also, we have a lot of events that will happen, so you will need a lot of Indian and traditional wear for that. I forgot मेरे टाइम पे I did not carry a lot of traditional wear, so मुझे थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम हुई थी, इसलिए आई एम मेकिंग श्योर कि आप लोग साड़ीज, लहंगाज, लाइट वेयर, थोड़ा लाइट कपड़े का लेके आ जाओ. गेट सम कुर्तीज, नाइस कुर्तीज एंड इंडियन वेयर and some comfortable clothes because you need to go to classes. Classes are from 9 to 4, 5:30. So you need to be in something comfortable. Now for toiletries, depends for everyone. But yeah, basic things like shampoo, conditioner, face wash, etc. And makeup is also very subjective. If you don't wear it, don't get it. If you wear it, get it. बट डोंट गेट एवरीथिंग बहुत ज़्यादा अमाउंट में बिकॉज स्पेस नहीं होगी, मैनेजमेंट में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा. ऑल्सो ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए आई विल सजेस्ट कि ये एक देर आर सम बॉक्सेस अवेलेबल ऑन अमेजॉन. So they are very handy, like they are very handy. You can literally organize your things very nicely, so get that. For utensils, you can get plates, spoon, fork, knife and bowls, the liquid and the scrub to wash your utensils. And that was it for this video. If you have any doubt, put it in the comments down below. And I hope you found it helpful. Share it with your parents because they need to watch this. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye.